Hey, good morning. This is Chris, y'all. The installation for a two-door Packhorse and a four-door Packhorse are the same thing. Just remove the plastic covers. This is the rearmost mount closest to your tailgate. You'll remove one bolt here and replace the standoff stud in this position. And then you'll do both on the end closest to your seats. I would suggest go ahead and leaving the tie downs in place. It gives you the right spacing off the floor and it kind of cleans up that hole just a little bit. Then what you'll do is just place a washer on top of each of the standoffs. And this bracket is a little different from yours. This is for a four-door, just to show you the placement of how it will go on. And then you'll want to put another washer on top of this with the serrated nut on top of that as well. I would suggest once you get it all installed, you'll want to kind of adjust towards the driver's side just a little bit and double check your clearance on your bump out on the tailgate to make sure it doesn't make contact with any of the hardware, fasteners, your drawer. Everything is fairly adjustable. I would suggest adjusting a little bit to the driver's side so you can miss part of the bump out. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.